Is your Amana AMVC96 furnace blower not running? This is a common issue, often indicated by a CF error code on the control board, resulting in no heat or airflow. The most frequent causes include electrical problems like a failed capacitor, control board issues, or a tripped breaker. The most frequent causes include electrical problems like a failed capacitor, control board issues, or a tripped breaker. Mechanical wear, overheating due to clogged filters, or even incompatible smart thermostat settings can also be culprits. Start by checking the breaker, examining the capacitor for bulging or leaking, and ensuring your thermostat is correctly configured. Start by checking the breaker, examining the capacitor for bulging or leaking, and ensuring your thermostat is correctly configured. Start by checking the breaker, examining the capacitor for bulging or leaking, and ensuring your thermostat is correctly configured. Remember to always disconnect power before inspecting any components to avoid electrical shock. Start diagnosis by checking error codes on the furnace's control board. These codes provide specific information about what might be wrong with the system. If the capacitor appears damaged, replace it with a universal capacitor from suppliers like Amazon or Grainger. These typically cost between $15 and $20 and are a common fix for blower motor issues. Use a multimeter to test for proper voltage at the blower motor and control board. This helps identify electrical faults that might prevent the blower from running. Clean any dust or debris from the blower motor and surrounding components. Buildup can cause overheating and prevent the blower from functioning properly. If you have a smart thermostat, ensure it's compatible with the furnace and properly configured. Incompatible or misconfigured thermostats can prevent the blower from receiving the correct signals. If issues persist and you are not comfortable working with electrical components, call a certified HVAC technician. Control board problems or complex wiring issues often require professional diagnosis and repair.